900 Mini AC28 OTDR. Exquisite packaging and related components. Beautiful body curves. Large touchable screen. A variety of sockets for different cables to plug in. Stable bracket design on the back for easy desktop placement. 16 functions combined in one device. 2 different wavelengths to test power simultaneously. 8 wavelength switching at will. Automatic OTDR and Expert OTDR 4 options. Automatic OTDR. Some parameters can be changed. Data in blue areas is alternative. Expert OTDR. More parameters can be adjusted. Updated new end state verification function. More inspections like network cable lines, network cable sequencing, network cable tracking,